Hi, good morning, and happy Friday. So I'm currently getting ready right now. Okay, hi. So I'm currently getting ready. We're gonna go on a hike to one of my favorite waterfall hikes. It's literally like a 0.5-mile hike, and that's really that. But it's a beautiful waterfall, and I love just hanging out there. Like one time I went there and someone was like playing sound bowls. Another time a guy was playing like this like drum. It's just like a really vibey place. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Let me get ready. I gotta put my face on. I gotta put my vibe on. This is what we're rocking with. Okay, see you soon. Hi guys, so we're here at the gas station. Cody's going pee, I believe. And yeah, we're about to go to the waterfall. Oh, he's right here. Say hi, Cody.
Hi.
We are at a delay right now. They're doing a lot of road work on this place, but I don't even mind because it's been closed for like a year, and I love it. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna have to show you guys more views. Say hi, Athena. Oh, she said no. Athena. Hi. Alright guys, parked my car. We're out here. It's actually really hot, and the bugs are kicking. Oh my gosh. But we out here. Oh, so beautiful. We finally made it to the waterfall. It's so beautiful. I forgot how magical this place is. It just has such a magical vibe going on. Oh my god. Still alive. We are on our way back because the flies are like insane. We're gonna go check out this lake. Oh my god. Whew. Guys, when I tell you the flies are crazy. Alright guys, so now we're at the lower lake. Oh my god, look at this bird. This is so beautiful, and usually I would stay here, but I'm starving because I haven't eaten today, and I'm still gonna go to an art walk, so we're gonna go home. Let's go back. Okay guys, so the lighting is so bad down here, hold on. Okay guys, so I just got home. I got some sushi. I'm gonna watch some TV before I go in the sauna. Hi, now I'm in the sauna. Gonna do this and shower and head to my home. So hot. I still have 22 minutes to go. Okay, so I'm showered and clean now in my little sweats and stuff. I'm gonna go to my actual house now because this is not my house, as you guys know. And what am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna get ready for the art walk that we're gonna go to tonight, okay? See you at home. I just have to ask LA, why is there traffic? It's 3 p.m. Where are these people coming from? What is going on? Hi guys, so we're eating in my car because I'm weird. There's just a lot of people. I wanted to get out of there.
Oh, why not? I don't think I'm gonna like this.
Oh, it smells buffalo-y.
It's buffalo. I took insulin for it.
I got a chicken tender. Fire. You can have my chicken tenders. We can switch if you want.
Oh.
Just try it.
I'll try it, but I don't think I'm gonna like it.
No.
I think my taste buds have matured.
You like it?
It's not bad.
Fuck yeah.
It's good.
I like fat in here.
It's hot.
This is so fire. You gotta try like a piece.
And
like...
she got mac and cheese. Which I don't know about that.
Shut up. It's giving Kraft a little bit, but I don't know. I think it's gonna taste good.
A little thicker than Kraft. But honestly, when we tried, what was it? Angry Chicks?
Yep.
Their mac and cheese is fire.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's mix it up a little bit. No, it's so good, right?
I should have got that.
No, it's so good. The only thing that my problem is that they gave me like a packet of ranch, not no homemade ranch, and I just think that
it's like if you're having salad or something.
Yeah, that's really off to me.
Yeah, I know.
It's no season. There's no seasoning. There's not a drip of seasoning. There's no seasoning in this. This is a 3 out of 10.
Yeah, we should have rated.
Okay, this is the mac and cheese, 3 out of 10. No flavor. There's no flavor in it, guys. Big back ass bitch trying to lick the spoon and shit.
For me, I would say 1 out of 10. I would say
1 out of 10.
No, I haven't given a rating yet. I'm saying 1 out of 10.
Oh, then you're eating that.
I'd probably say 6. Maybe 6.
So I give the chicken tenders though. The chicken tenders are a clean 10 out of 10.
That's a 10.
Yeah, they're a clean 10 out of 10.
Like a 9.
9 or 10. They're really
9,
good.
Yeah. That's right. It's not like, it's just not flavorful.
Yeah.
Like, I can kill it. I'll kill it. It's not bad, but
it's not worth the calories.
no.
I thought you were eating it out of the packet. I was like, oh, that sounds some real big back shit. Like,
honestly, though, I can't even say that I don't do that.
oh my god.
Like the Wingstop ranch?
No. No, because Wingstop ranch, I will clean drink like a cup of Wingstop ranch. I don't know what they do to that.
Confident?
I'm just gonna send you up. This biscuit, I don't know if I got it because my camera stopped recording. This biscuit, fire. It's like a 9 or 10 easy. So good. Is this not so fat?
We're straight mukbanging it. Like, when I'm by myself, I'm the biggest back ass bitch ever. Like,
no, literally! It's crazy because I'll be up here grubbing with the dogs in the back and they're like
I'll just say I always picture you like, if you ever get food in your little like loft area up there, like in a little like closet.
That's where I'm the most guys.
Because I would be.
My loft is like my game room / office.
Very secluded.
Very secluded. It's in my attic.
Like your like house.
I can't hear nothing that's going on, and there's a couch in there, and I'll be laid out eating who knows what up there. No, I'll literally be on the couch like laid out like this. Nyx is like near me and stuff.
That's a vibe though.
It really is. I'm telling you, nothing is better than being big back and you got big back ass dogs near you. You're all just laid out. Me and my girls, like nothing better.
It was crunchy.
This is the real me, guys. It always kills me, like when you guys told me how Shay came home and you were like shirt off, eating Wingstop on the couch.
She didn't even care. She came in talking about her day.
She's like, oh, anyways.
No, she brought it up later to me, and she was just like, I'm used to seeing that. Like she's always grown up with like guys doing that. But me, I never do that. Like, imagine you walking in, have me home, and I just have my shirt off, and I'm just like Wingstop, meals and meals, like sides and sides and sauces, and I'm just like mid-bite into a chicken.
I feel like I'd be like...
You wouldn't come talk to me, I can tell you that. You'd be like... I feel like you would pause, see, and then, I don't know if you would just go upstairs, or you just be like...
Right, depending on my mood, I feel like I would laugh.
Yeah, you never know what you're gonna get.
I might laugh, I might be like...
You're either laughing, or you're just like, there's not much of a reaction, like you're processing it. Like,
yeah, it might be a two, like it might be a buffering moment.
But you might just walk in and be like, wow, like... Doubling up there. I keep wanting to like throw it in there, but we can't throw it in there.
I know.
We have to like sit it right here.
Yeah.
And then throw it when we get home.
Cheers, guys. Oh, okay. Oh, this one was not bad, actually. Thank you guys so much for hanging with us and being on like your big back shit with us. Happy Friday, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.